In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a salary slip in Excel using Claude AI. You should see a blank chat with the prompt box labeled, "How can I help you today?" sitting right in the center of the screen. Before we start writing anything, we need to make sure file creation is turned on, because this is what lets Claude hand you back an actual Excel file instead of just showing a table inside the chat. Move your cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. A small menu will pop up, and from that menu, click Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, look at the list of options on the left side and click the Capabilities tab. Now, scroll through the options on the right until you find the one labeled Code Execution and File Creation. Confirm that the toggle next to it is switched on and showing blue. If it happens to be off, simply click the toggle to enable it. After that, close the Settings panel by clicking the X in the top right corner. Now we're ready to write the salary slip prompt. Click into the prompt box at the bottom of the chat so your cursor is active inside it. You're going to paste in a detailed prompt that tells Claude exactly what to build. Start by asking it to create an Excel salary slip template for a small company and specify that the file should be in the .xlsx format. Tell it to use 3 sheets. The first sheet should be called Payslip, and this will be a formatted monthly payslip that pulls employee details and salary values from the other sheets using formulas like VLOOKUP or index match. Make sure to include the company name, employee ID, department, designation, pay period, basic salary, HRA, transport allowance, gross salary, PF deduction, tax deduction, total deductions, net salary, and a signature line at the bottom. The second sheet should be called Employee Data, with columns for employee ID, name, department, and designation. And ask Claude to fill in 5 sample rows. The third sheet should be called Salary Register, with columns for employee ID, basic, HRA, transport, PF, tax, plus auto-calculated gross, total deductions, and net salary. Again, request 5 sample rows that match the IDs from the employee data sheet. Next, instruct Claude to make the payslip sheet dynamic, so that when you change the employee ID at the top, every other field on the payslip updates automatically. Ask for clean formatting with borders, a header row, and bold labels. For the company name placeholder, use ACME Corp. Once your full prompt is in the box, click the blue send arrow on the right side of the prompt box, or simply press Enter to submit it. This detailed prompt is what turns a generic request into a reliable dynamic payslip with the exact sheets, fields, and formulas you need. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we wait for Claude to generate the file. Keep an eye on the chat because Claude will show a progress indicator that says something like writing code or creating file, while it runs Python in the background to build the workbook. Give it a moment to finish processing. When it completes the job, a file card will appear inside the chat showing the file name, which will look something like salaryslip.xlsx, along with a download button right next to it. Now it's time to download the Excel file. Click the download button on the file card inside the chat. Your browser will save the file to your downloads folder, so watch for it in the download bar at the bottom of the screen or in the small browser download pop-up that appears. Once the download is complete, click the downloaded file directly from the download bar, or open File Explorer, navigate to your Downloads folder, and double-click it from there. The file will open up in Excel, and you'll see your fully formatted salary slip workbook with all 3 sheets ready to use, complete with the dynamic formulas and sample data exactly as you described in the prompt.